Hello everyone. Today we will be looking at the classification and basis of classification of algae. So there exist so many classifications of algae, but out of all, we will be looking at the classification given by G.M. Smith in the year 1955. So why are we looking at this? Because G.M. Smith ने जो classification दिया था, that is very rational. You can distinguish from one algal from the different one on just basis of its morphological features. You can just look at the pigments present in it, the color of the thallus, or presence or absence of flagella, etc. Those characters which are easily distinguishable. So it is a very accepted and a very rational classification. Let's look into the basis of classification. So there are majorly 5 bases on which the whole algae has been classified. Number 1 is pigments, and we have already discussed of how many pigments exist in algae in its general characters. Number 2 is cell wall. Again, this point has been discussed. Presence or absence of flagella is number 3. Then stored food or the reserve food, and the number 5th is the type of reproduction. Looking into the detail one, the type of sexual reproduction the algal form exists. On the basis of that also some divisions are been done. So let's look into the very first, chlorophyta. Okay, it is the major of 90% of the algas of this division are freshwater. Now what does this term mean? Chloro means, obviously it indicates towards chlorophyll. So chlorophyta is that division of whose all of these algal forms will majorly, the dominant pigment would be chlorophyll A and B, giving them the green color. So this is also called as green algal forms. Okay, it has been further subdivided into chlorophyceae and charophyceae. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे हमारा रिजर्व फूड मटेरियल है स्टार्च. The second one is chrysophyta. Chryso means it is somewhat similar to gold in color. Okay, golden brown color is termed as chryso. So chrysophyta is that group of algae which has this golden to brown color thallus forms, subdivided into chrysophyceae, xanthophyceae, bacillariophyceae. Okay, the dominant pigments here, as they have this golden brown color, so carotene would be the dominant pigment. Along with that, xanthophyll is also a dominant pigment of this division. The third one is phaeophyta. Pheo means something dark colored. So phaeophyta are commonly called as brown algae, as the major algae are of brown color. This color is due to the pigment fucoxanthin. Okay, fucoxanthin is responsible for the dark brown or light brown color of whole of this division. This division is further subdivided into isogenerate, heterogenerate, and cyclospore. The basis now here is a little bit different. The subdivision basis is different. We'll be discussing later on if we see phaeophyta as a topic. Looking into our fourth division of algae, that is pyrophyta, Pyro. This pyro word means fire. So pyrophyta, this name has been given because Dinophyceae, which is a group, a very big group, which consists of dinoflagellates, these have property of bioluminescence, means they generate a little bit a fire kind of thing or a luminescence. So heat is also produced, so they are called as fire or heat algae, and hence the name of this whole division has been given as pyrophyta. This group has been subdivided into Dinophyceae and Desmophyceae. A fifth one is Euglenophyta. Now the name is given because of the thallus structure of this division. The algal form of this division have some the thallus structure is something euglena like, means it is a long lens shaped structure which a little bit thickening in the middle. So something we can compare it to euglena. There's only one subdivision of this main division, that is Euglenophyceae. So our sixth division is Rhodophyta. Rhodophyta is one of the important division of algae because it consists of major marine algal forms. Okay, the Rhodophyta को हम commonly बोलते हैं red algae because the color of thallus is majorly of red color. This red color is due to the pigment called as phycoerythrin, R-phycoerythrin. Okay, the stored material here is very different, which is Floridian starch, and very unique to this division. And this division has only one sub class, which is Rhodophyceae. Our last is Cyanophyta, which is very commonly called as blue-green algae. It also has just one subdivision, that is Cyanophyceae. This blue-green algae majorly consists of the non-motile cells and or commonly sometimes referred to as bacteria as well. The pigments here are chlorophyll A, B, phycocyanin, phycoerythrin, etc.